Hey guys, today I'm going to be pulling out my potatoes, see what kind of harvest I get. They didn't do very well this year, and I had chipmunks or voles or moles boring underneath and pulling out my potatoes and eating them, so we're going to see what we get. Like I said, I don't know what I'm going to get. If anything, they started dying off and something made its hole right there, so I'm going to try my best. But I'm cutting them at the bottom. This one looks like it's been eaten by something. This looks like some type of pest, and then I have some red. I think I just dropped a baby potato. Looks like something's been trying to chew on it. We'll keep going, see what I get. So I didn't think I'd get a semi-good harvest. It doesn't look too bad so far. You can see the potatoes peeking out where I've disturbed the soil. Maybe I'll get a good haul, who knows? I'm gonna have to work around this flower I planted. I had to half weed this bed just to see where the potatoes were, because you can tell I did not weed it. This is what I got out of my little potato mound. Mostly white potatoes. There's a couple mixed in here. I have like 5 purple potatoes. They didn't do good. And a little bit of red. But some of them look like they've been, let me see if I can find it for you, munched on. And then I have some potatoes that are green. Some that are slightly tinged green. Now if half of it's tinged green, I will not use them. But if it just has a little bit right here on the end, right here, I'll cut that off and use the rest. You're not supposed to eat the potatoes that have green on them because they say that they're poisonous. Like this one has a little bit. anything could kill you. Walking outside could kill you. But this one had a little bit of tinge of green, but this one was eaten. And I think it was by whatever little rodent was digging in my bed. It was probably a chipmunk, who knows. But I got lots of different sizes and shapes. Got some really big ones, and I got some weird ones. I have a really weird shaped one in here that's got 3 on it somewhere right here. I don't even know what to say to that. But like this one looks like it's been munched on just a little. And some of the ones that are half still good, I will cut off the bad part and use it. There's no sense in wasting it. But I did get some red and then some purple. Only a couple purple. Let's see. So I got a couple purple. I was really hoping for a bigger harvest on those, but it is what it is. And this is a lot of potatoes. Multiple meals for my family that I don't have to go buy at the grocery store. But I will use the ones that look like, none of them are really rotting, but that have split in them. Like this has a little split in it. I will use these first and then store the rest downstairs. Now you can cure potatoes or you can eat them straight out, but I'll probably put them in my garage just to cure for a little bit on the racks that I had the garlic on that I cleared off. But this is my potato haul. I thought I was gonna get just maybe one little basket, and I got 2.5, so that's great. I cleared this big bed out. This is where all the potatoes were. I turned over the soil and broke it up some. I'm gonna let it sit, and then when my new starts of squash and zucchini get ready, I'm gonna stick them right here. And I will not stick potatoes here again. You need to rotate your potato crop. Don't stick it in the same spot because of diseases. But this is gonna be something else, but it is cleared out. Got 2.5 baskets. Pretty good haul. Remember, if you wanna save some of your potatoes, you'll have to cure them for a couple weeks. I'm just gonna put some in my garage anyways to let them cure, and I'll use the ones that either have cuts or need to be used. The green ones, cut off the bad part and use the rest. No sense in wasting food when you can eat it. The rest of it's not a problem. Thanks for joining me today. See you guys next time. Baby cantaloupe.